talk about how can you enable likes notifications on your Clapper app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do in the first, you just sorry. So you just click in this sign down here. So when you click on this sign here, it's going to show for your profile like this. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going, when you click on this sign here, so when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Click here on push notifications. So then it's going to show for you like this. You come here to likes, click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us. That's mean here likes notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.